Okay. The past perfect tense is used to express the complete event prior to another event in the past. Understand? Alright, let's discuss. Perfect tense, perfect, past perfect, past perfect tense is used to express complete action, completed event that prior to prior and the event in the past. In the past. Understand? The past perfect tense is used to express completed event that prior to another event, almost similar to that previous slide, but little bit different. This understand? The police arrived. The thief had already ran away. The thief had already ran away. The police arrived, the thief had already ran away. Number one. Number two, the police arrived, the thief had already ran away. The doctor entered after the thief arrived, after the thief had already. You see, after police arrived, after UT arrived, after the thief had already ran away. Understand? The doctor entered after the patient had died. Patient had died. Had died. The patient had died. The thief had ran away, run away. This is run, not ran. Run away before the police had, before the police came. The police, before the police came to the spot, come to the police. Before the police came to the police, to the spot. Came to the spot. The police arrived after the doctor entered. This had run. Okay, the thief had run away before She had already informed. She had already informed before I call her. Call her. She had already informed before I called her. I had sent the letter before. I had sent the letter before. I had sent the letter before. I had sent the letter before he for left for Kathmandu. For Kathmandu. Left for. I had sent the letter before he left for Kathmandu. Tourists visited Monagamana before they had visited Pokhara. Understand? Tourists visited Monagamana before they had visited Pokhara. Past perfect tense is used to express complete, little bit different. These events, another two events are prior function. One event, one completed. The same things. The past, but little bit different here. Past perfect tense is used to express completed event that prior to another event in the past. The police arrived after the theft had already ran away. These things are already complete. The doctor entered. This function patient had died. This is completely already completed. The thief had run away. Already completed. Police came to the spot. She had already informed before I called her. She had already informed before I called her. I had sent the letter, this already completed, before he left for Kathmandu. Tourists visited Monagamana before they had visited Pokhara. They had already visited Pokhara. In this situation, we have to use past perfect tense. So past perfect tense is used to express one complete action events before prior to another event or action. We have to use past perfect tense. Understand? Do you get my point? Alright, the police arrived after the theft had run away. This complete action. Alright, the doctor entered after the patient had died. Alright, the thief had run away. Complete action. Police came. After police came. She had already informed before I informed. Complete action. She had sent. Complete action. He left for Pokhara before tourists visit Monagamana before they had visited this complete action. Understand? Alright, this is the condition that we use past perfect tense.